Hey guys, welcome back. If you want to know how to hide or unhide a files or folder in Windows 11 or 10, then you can apply this method very easily. To do that, at first go to the file or folder and right click on it. Here go to the properties. After then check mark on the hidden option. Now click on apply and OK. Here you can see the files folder is grayed out. Now if you want to hide this file, then go to view option. In the section of show, here you will see hidden items. Just uncheck this and here you can see the folder is hidden. Now if you want to unhide this folder, then again go to the view option, show, and click in the hidden items. Here you can see the files folder comes up. Again right click on it and go to properties. Now uncheck the hidden option, apply and OK. Here you can see the files folder is now totally unhide. By this way you can hide or unhide your files and folder very easily without any software. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you.